Hello, in front of me I've got POCO F5 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app. Enter menu and go to settings. Go to Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap more, agree, again more and agree. Next, and now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, OK Google. Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be showers with a high of 49 and a low of 44.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.